Hello बच्चों, welcome in my class Lalit Academy. Today we are taking a topic of 10th class polynomials and chapter number 2. Now this video we might have to solve some questions, very important questions, only 2 marks. Questions have to be coming in your board exams. Okay, the question is find quadratic polynomial when the sum and the product or its zeros are given. Sometimes we have a sum of zeros and product of zeros, and sometimes we have just zeros. Okay, when we want to find the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, we have an idea. This is general equation: ax square plus bx plus c, and it has two formulas. That sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, or product of zeros c upon a. Alpha beta are the zeros of the equation. With the help of this we want to find the quadratic polynomial. Okay, let's start. This is the sum of the product, sum of the zeros and the product of zeros according to the question. So sum of zeros is equal to 1 upon 4 and product of zeros is equal to minus 1. It is given in the question. Now sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c upon a. You know, sum of zeros 1 upon 4, then 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b upon a, because it is a sum of zeros 1 upon 4. So in the place of alpha plus beta sum of zeros we have to put 1 upon 4 is equal to minus b upon a. Now we compare it, then we get b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4. Here is this, b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 4, and in this product we have product is equal to minus 1, then c upon a, and in this question a is equal to 4, put here c upon 4, multiply, then we get c is equal to minus 4. 4 को जब हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया तो we get minus 4. Now we want to make a quadratic polynomial. Then general equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Then a is equal to 4. Put the value, and b is equal to minus 1. Then we have minus x and c is equal to minus 4. 4x square minus x minus 4. This is our quadratic polynomial. Okay. Second part लेते हैं इसका. Root 2 and 1 upon 3. This is sum of zeros. This is product of zeros. Then sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to root 2, and product of zeros alpha beta is equal to 1 upon 3. Sum of zeros minus b upon a. Then put minus b upon a is equal to root 2 upon 1. Product of zeros c upon a. Then c upon a is equal to 1 upon 3. Now compare. Then b is equal to minus root 2 and a is equal to 1. b is equal to root 2 और a is equal to 1. माइनस लगा हुआ है, तुमने माइनस पुट कर दिया. Now in this equation then c upon a is equal to 1 upon 3 है, और a की वैल्यू हमारे पास 1 है. Then put a is equal to 1 is equal to 1 upon 3. Then c is equal to 1 upon 3. Similar, we have equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now put the values. A we have a 1, then 1x square. B have minus root 2, then minus root 2x, and c is equal to 1 upon 3. This is our quadratic polynomial when we have a sum and the product of the zeros. Okay, one more 0 and root 5. This is the sum of zeros or this is the product of zeros. We want to find the quadratic polynomial. Sum of zeros, product of zeros. Sum of zeros we have formula minus b upon a is equal to 0 upon 1. Product c upon a is equal to root 5 upon 1. Now compare. Then b is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1. here is this, b is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1. Now in this form, then c upon a, and we have a is equal to 1. Similarly root 5. Now c is a root 5. Now this general form, ax square plus bx plus c. Now put the values. A is equal to 1, then just x square, b is equal to 0, then 0, or x or c is equal to root 5, then x square plus root 5. This is our quadratic polynomial. Okay, these are three examples when we have a sum of zeros and product of zeros, and how can we make the quadratic polynomial. Is it okay? Now take some more questions when we have only zeros, not sum and product, when we have only zeros. Zeros of पॉलिनोमियल, एक 3 ले लिया और एक ले लिया हमने 2, केवल जीरोस लिए, सम नहीं लिया है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सम फाइंड कीजिए. सम ऑफ जीरोस, तो 3 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 5. हमें सम करना पड़ेगा. और फिर प्रोडक्ट लीजिए. प्रोडक्ट तो ये हो गया 3 मल्टीप्लाई 2 यानी कि 6. अब फिर फॉर्मूला लगा दीजिए. सम कितना था, माइनस बी अपॉन ए इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 1, और प्रोडक्ट कितना था, सी अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू 6 आया था. तो अल्फा बीटा की वैल्यू क्या है, सी अपॉन इज इक्वल टू 6. यानी कि जब हमारे पास जीरोस होंगी तो पहले हमें उनको सम करना पड़ेगा, फिर मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर. ओके, देन b इज इक्वल टू -5 एंड a इज इक्वल टू 1. सिमिलरली c, a इज इक्वल टू 1 पुट कर दीजिए, देन c इज इक्वल टू 6. और क्वाड्रेटिक बनानी है हमको. ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c, a की वैल्यू क्या है 1, देन x स्क्वायर, b हमारे पास है -5, देन -5x और c की वैल्यू है 6. दिस इज अवर क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल व्हेन वी हैव जस्ट जीरोस. तो जीरोस में क्या करना है, जब जीरोस होंगे तो पहले उनको प्लस करना है, सम फाइंड करना है, उनको प्रोडक्ट करना है, और तब हम इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं.